In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on YouTube Studio. This is really useful if you manage more than one YouTube channel, or if you simply want to move between a personal channel and a business channel without logging out each time. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so the process feels smooth and predictable. First, make sure you're already signed in and have YouTube Studio open in your browser. You should be on any YouTube Studio page, like your dashboard, content, or analytics. Take a moment to confirm that you're actually in Studio and not on the regular YouTube homepage. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the Studio sidebar with options like content, analytics, and comments. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is usually your channel picture, or it might just be a colored circle with a letter if you haven't added a profile image yet. Click on that profile icon once. A drop-down menu will appear under it. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. What you're looking for is the option labeled Switch Account. Go ahead and click Switch Account. When you do this, a list will appear showing the Google accounts or channels you've previously used on this device. If the account or channel you want to use is already in that list, switching is very simple. Just click on the account you want, and your browser will automatically reload YouTube Studio under that account. Give it a moment to refresh, and you'll see that the dashboard now shows the videos, analytics, and settings for the channel you just selected. If you don't see the account you want to switch to, you'll need to add it first. In that same menu, click on Add Account. This will open a Google sign-in page. Here, enter the email and password for the other account you want to use with YouTube Studio. Follow the usual sign-in prompts, including any verification steps. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken back to YouTube, and from there you can open YouTube Studio again. After that initial sign-in, that account will appear in your Switch Account list, so next time you can swap between accounts with just a couple of clicks. And that's it. That's all you need to do to switch accounts on YouTube Studio quickly and efficiently.